What's up, team? Happy Monday. It's a strength day today. We got an upper push, lower pull. We're doing elimination style, AABB times 2. All right, so we're split in half each station, A's and B's, and then again, AABB twice through before we rotate straight through and no time for finishers. All right, so all the A's happen to be the strength exercise today. So per usual, load them up heavy, going heavy. We're gonna get strong today, all right? Some good fundamental movements in there. Super pumped for this one. So get ready to, again, push people on the weights, then really dial in their form. High risk for my floor coach. Make sure you start in the 2 kettlebell suitcase Tilly deadlift. Okay, so we're gonna take it, leave it. So we're practicing picking up from the floor. So one really good coaching cue, as you come down, to pick up the weights, make sure we are bracing through the core to pick it up. So brace to pick it up, and make sure that we're not letting, when that weight comes into our hands and then we lift with it, make sure that we're not rounding forward or pulling forward. Resist, resist, resist. All right, that is our workout straight through. And then we'll talk about our pro coaching tip, which is Monday mindset. And our first Monday of February. And this month we're talking about habits. All right, so lots of lessons and information from the book Atomic Habits from James Clear, and this week talking specifically about the cue, or sometimes also you could say the trigger, like what is the thing that's going to cue you or trigger you. And the interesting thing is, if there is no cue or no trigger, then the action will not happen. Okay, so the cues are very important in a good way, or I should say for positive habits, and on the flip side, removing the cue for any negative habits. So the easier we can make a habit, the more likely it is we accomplish it, right? We all know this. But with the cues, we want to make them obvious. So obvious that this is why we should be setting alarms to remind ourselves to get our workouts in, to schedule our workouts, to wake up, to lay out our clothes. Okay? And then when we lay out our clothes, putting them right where we can see them, where it's super convenient, so that it's a cue, again, to go to the gym. But even more so, internal cues like, hey, at this time of day, I get hungry or I get stressed. Those cues are cueing you to eat or watch TV, or maybe to go to the gym and work out. So again, really controlling the cue will help you to control the habit, and those are your triggers. So start to identify those in all areas of your life, and then you'll be able to really hack the system and set yourself up for success by building good habits and kind of eliminating positive or negative habits or even addictions. So that's what I got, friends. See ya!